Khwlwmkha Joto takhwk bwkhwk tai lamsogo ani o channel phaidi cheng tini nalinei puliano St. Andrew School ni hoite kaisa ketal job notification phaimani obongkha boni website norok oro thangibo visit khaine mano phaidi borni hoite je notification phaimani abono cheng nalainei nugui mano St. Andrew School Bujjungnagar near Kamalghat recruited urgently PGT teachers for English, Geography, History, Political Science, Physics, Chemistry, Bengali and Hindi. Takhwk bwkhwk borok PGT teachers nangui tongo o subject no tui norok jodi omonoti interest tongkhangke noni biodata boni office thangi submit khairidi. Interested candidates can submit the biodata in the office by 4th September 2021. Jodi norok omonoti interest tongkhangke oboni bagi norok apply khaimano phaidi takhwk bwkhwk jeng tai kaisa notification nalena omobo schoolino nuguimano urgently recruited for a CBSE school urgently recruited teachers for economics and history with PG and B.Ed with good experience in handling higher secondary classes for one of the leading English medium school CBSE in Agartala. Takhwk bwkhwk borokbo nangui tongjago je economics tai history subject notui logi borok PG khainangnai tai B.Ed khainangnai. Interested candidates may send a resume at box number 131 Dainik Sambat or norok mail khaimano hr.agartala@gmail.com. Takhwk bwkhwk norok jodi obonoti interest tongkhangke noni resume boni email id o send khaimano hoitoba norok box number 131 Dainik Sambat thangibo rimano norok jodi obono interest tongkhangke apply khaimano phaidi takhwk bwkhwk jeng tai kaisa job notification ti nalenei obongkha Shillong Meghalaya ni tui nuguimano Northeast Regional Institute of Education Umiam obongkha Meghalaya advertisement Northeast Regional Institute of Educational proposed to appoint 7 posts of Junior Project Fellow short form JPF and 2 posts of Computer Assistant on contractual basis for fixed tenure. Interview for the post will be conducted through online mode. Takhwk bwkhwk borok kaini post ni bagi tlangi tongo kaisangka JPF tai kaisangka Computer Assistant. JPF ni bagi total vacancy tongo 7 tai Computer Assistant ni bagi tongo 2. Norok nuguimano JPF Junior Project Fellow ni bagai salary rinai 25,000 per month jara net qualified khaijarono tai 23,000 rinai per month jara non net genang no norok jodi obnoti interest tongkhangke apply khaimano ar jara computer assistant boni bagai salary jangnai 17,604 per month. Eligible candidates may submit their applications in the prescribed format to obongkha boni email address neri.shillong@ncert.nic.in up to 10 September 2021. Takhwk bwkhwk norok jodi obonoti interest tongkhangke norok boni o website o thangai kaisa application format manana format no fill up khaini bornong documents boni o email address o pathogori hodi by 10 September 2021. Takhwk bwkhwk o kaitham job notification ang nong phonungmani norok jodi obonoti interest tongkhangke apply khaimano hoitoba norok jodi interest kari hangke noni sinja borong no share khadi jate bor phono information manai borok phano apply khaitung borok phano o job no manthung ang abono nayo tin bagai ashek no belai kheno hambai ani o video no naima bagai khwlwmkha